How to copy parameter from display to drive in ABB ACS310 drive. If you want to copy parameter from display to drive in ABB ACS310 drive, then first change control mode for copying parameter or paste parameter. Drive in local mode. In now condition, drive is in remote mode. So press LOC RM button once. Now drive in local mode. If your drive already in local mode, so don't press LOC REM button. Now your drive is in local mode, press enter button. REF, press down button and go to the copy option, press enter button. UL, press down button, go to the DLA. DLA means parameter copy from display to drive. When this option comes, press enter button. Now parameter copying start from display to drive. So press exit button, exit, go to the main display. Now your parameter completely copy from display to drive.